pushing some buttons over here. Hi. All right. We are live everywhere. Next level manifestors, mount up. Happy Friday, everyone. This is Stop, Drop, and Breathe. I'm Lisa Mehta from Metamorfize. Thank you for being here. I'm going to dive in today with really using all this time for breathing. I've been intermittent fasting. I'm hitting my 19-hour fast, so I'm definitely feeling like I just need to energize with breath. And this week has been all about compassionate comparison. And we have just been looking at all the ways that we compare ourselves to others and how we can use that to actually show us what we want in our life next. And then also how to have compassion for ourselves when we're at that moment of comparing that doesn't feel good, when we then use that to tell ourselves that we're not good enough. So it's been a powerful week for me of looking at all the ways that I compare myself, and I got really emotional on Tuesday on the talk. If you missed it, you can check it out on my website, metamorfize.com. And if you're joining on Facebook, let me know you're here. Just give me a heart for compassion. When we did What is Compassion to Everyone, I loved the word grace came up so much, and self-love, self-acceptance, listening, just being there for people and being there for yourself. So it's been a really beautiful week of compassion, and I know that my journey to compassion has also been about forgiveness. So let's just take a moment and breathe in deep, deep compassion for ourselves, for this world, for everything, for plants, for animals, for each other. I mean, we really need to infuse our breath and our bodies with love right now. We need it really bad. All right. So, hi Michelle, welcome. So, yeah, Dina, San Diego in the house. What did you guys, oh, hey Janice, did you guys take away something this week around compassion? It's been powerful for me. I know if you were on my live on Tuesday, I started crying. It was just so amazing for me to see how far I've come, because I used to compare myself so much, and it used to be really something that took me down. So, yeah. All right. I think one of the best ways that we can have compassion for ourselves is to breathe deep, to infuse our body with love. So that's what we're going to do. So get into a comfortable position. And I teach the connected breath. It's in and out through your mouth. So we're going to just really use the rest of this time. You have a lot of great moments here for breathing. So let's make sure the music's going to come on. Yes, here we go. All right. So just allowing your mouth to open wide and just take a deep breath in. It's through the mouth and out through the mouth. It's a powerful breath, and we're just going to keep it coming steady in. Breathing compassion, heartfelt, beautiful, beautiful. Just give me icons if you're showing up. Love to know who's here. Settle in. We're just going to be here for a moment. So allowing your body to really relax with the breath as we breathe in compassion for each other and for yourself. Breathing out, you can close your eyes. Allow the beat to feel your body move in with the heartbeat of your own beat, with the music beat. Inhale, exhale. It's like a continuous wave. Comes in with the inhale, out with the exhale. In with the inhale, out with the exhale. Breathing in trust, breathing in compassion, breathing out trust, breathing out compassion. You're going to feel your body rise with each inhale, and you're going to feel it melting down, surrendering with each exhale. Just allowing yourself to really drop in. Breathing in love. Breathing out love. Breathing in compassion and joy. And breathing in forgiveness for all the times you said mean things to yourself, all the times you just couldn't forgive yourself for the things that you were doing. It's okay. Now is your time. I forgive myself. Breathing in forgiveness. And breathing out forgiveness. Breathing in compassion. Stay with the breath. Stay with the flow of the inhales and the exhales. It is time to allow yourself forgiveness and compassion, that this can be a brand new day. Just taking a moment to really breathe in deep, opening in your inhale, opening, and melting down with the exhale, staying in your own pace. And if for anyone who wants to really pick it up a little bit, you can go back to your breath and stay with your breath. The workshop I did, I heard you all wanted breathing, so I'm just here to breathe with you. I'm also breathing on a 20-hour fast, so I can feel my energy just wanting the breath. Inhaling. When you come back in, you can just melt in a little, contracting. And inhaling, opening up to your next level. Exhaling out, coming back to the safety. Inhaling, exposing your heart just a little bit, and then coming back in. Compassion is a delicate place. Sometimes we're not ready. So just be wherever you are, opening up to the inhale and coming back home, loving yourself up with each breath. Inhale with the love. I love myself. I love my life. I love my body. And my breath is the way. When you come back, you just silently melt into the safety and the trust for yourself. Just allow a little movement. Yes. Yes. Breathing in. Yes. Yes. Yeah, Amsterdam, Corrine in the house. We got San Diego, New York, Amsterdam. Inhaling. Bounce with it. Inhaling, allow your breath. Yes, here we go. We're going to bring it home. Bringing it home with the breath. Ooh, I feel so many tingles because I'm hungry. Stay with your breath. Be with it. Let it guide you. Go in deep. You can use your sound, you can use your hands, you can move a little bit. Just stay breathing. Find your rhythm and stay with the breath. Coming home to yourself is what compassion is all about. Inhaling in. Deepen the breath. Hi Yvette, nice to have you here. See if you can take your next inhale, the biggest inhale, expanding. Feel it in your chest. Feel it rise, rise, expand. Yes. Breathe in the quality of yes with each inhale. The yes I can. The yes I will. The yes I am. The watch me. Yes I am. Yes I will. Yes I can. Watch me. Inhale and open, expanding from the inside. Woo! I welcome coughs, spitting, sneezing, anything that's out, you just let it come. Especially if you're breathing deep like this, you can feel it in the back of your throat. It's very powerful. Friday, stop, drop, and breathe. What's up, everybody? I'm Lisa. Stop, drop, and breathe. I'm Lisa. Stop, drop, and breathe. Metamorfize. Stop, drop, and breathe. Yes. I believe in you, and you can do it. If you think it, you can achieve it. Have forgiveness, have compassion, come home to yourself. Each breath will take you deeper. Stay with it. This is all about stop and get present. Drop inward and breathe deep. That's what this stop, drop, and breathe is all about. Stop, get present. Drop and go inward. Breathe deep. Ready? Here we go. Yay, Jen, you made it. We're just breathing deep, breathing deep. Inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale. Yes, and dancing your own dance, and be in your own life with your breath, welcoming and opening to everything that is meant to show up today. Have compassion for others and for yourself, and just know everyone is going through something. And how can you look at every situation and say, what is here for me to learn? How can I extract the goodness here? What can I manifest in this situation? What is around me that is reflecting my highest self? Inhaling. We're at 15 minutes, so I'm just going to play a little of this track because I love it. This is my homies from back in the day, Thievery Corporation, Le Monde, which means the world. And if you find your inner landscape, your inner world, and you navigate this heart, throat, mind, your breath is the gateway, then you open yourself up to a world around you, and you can interface with the world in a completely different way. That is my desire for you to manifest. If you can think it, you can achieve it. Stay steady. I've got goodies coming up. 30 Days to Change is my 1-month program that will bring you back home to yourself. Stay tuned. We got Breathwork coming up for some weekly classes. Got Manifest and Mingle. And see you next week. Let's just take 3 super deep breaths in together to seal in this practice. So just placing your hands together or on your heart. Inhaling. Exhaling. Finding that compassion for yourself. Forgiveness. Inhale. Exhale. Last one in. Breathing in love. I love you. Breathing in, breathing in. Aligned body, mind, and spirit and breath. You got this, everyone. See you next week. Lisa here, signing off. One love, one love.